Introducing the TLC REM Mattress Topper, designed to transform the way you sleep without the cost of a brand new mattress. When your TLC REM Topper arrives at your front door, here's exactly what you can expect. When your topper does arrive, it does come in a really nice gift box. It's got the care instructions, super simple to care for, but it is vacuum sealed when it arrives, so we do recommend you spreading it out on the bed for about 3 to 4 hours. It just allows it to air out, and it does get to that optimal level of plushness. First thing you'll notice is the plushness. At 10 centimeters in thickness, the REM Topper adds a cloud-like, luxurious layer to any mattress. It instantly makes your bed look and feel softer, cozier, and far more inviting. Inside, advanced 7D hollow fiber is used to resist flattening, meaning your topper remains lofty, supportive, and comfortable night after night. But it's not just about the softness. This topper has been engineered to cradle your joints and relieve pressure points. That means you'll wake up feeling refreshed without the aches and stiffness that come from an old, stiff mattress. If you're sleeping next to someone who tosses and turns and gets out of bed throughout the night, that movement will stay on their side of the bed, so your sleep remains undisturbed. It's hard to see from the naked eye, but there's non-slip underside grip stops the mattress topper from sliding around throughout the night. With reinforced skirting around the mattress topper, it hugs the mattress and goes deeply under the mattress, which keeps it securely in place so it's not going anywhere. And because the outer shell of the topper is made from 100% natural cotton, and it's OEKO Tech certified and GOTS certified, it's hyperallergenic and it's great for the environment. So if you've got sensitive skin, this is perfect. Caring for your REM Topper is simple. Simply wash it every few months, or spot clean it when you need it and hang it out to dry in the sun for a few hours. It's super simple to look after. But if you have any issues, you've got a care guide that comes with the package. But if you still want to have a chat, give us a call or send us an email at hello@ladcollective.com and we can help you out. So when you do invest in a TLC REM mattress topper, you're not just buying any old topper. You're buying an investment, an upgrade in your overall sleep experience. You're saving thousands on a new mattress and you're extending the life of your current one. You're investing in premium quality comfort and craftsmanship. So what are you waiting for? Try the TLC REM mattress topper on a 90-night risk-free trial and see why thousands of Australians are loving every night in their REM topper.